Hey everybody, and welcome to the Code Review Guru. My name is Light, and I pretty much dedicated this channel to my journey of obtaining the CSSLP and the OSCP certifications. That being said, these next couple of series of videos, I'm going to be setting up my computer to pretty much get me prepared to run some penetration tests against DVWA, or Damn Vulnerable Web Application. So I'm going to install, in this video, I'm going to install OZAP, or OWASP ZAP, which is an open source tool by OWASP that pretty much lets me scan web applications. The great thing about OWASP ZAP is that a lot of its payloads and a lot of the information that you get from the scanner itself, you can pretty much use to perform tests against the application itself. However, like I said, it's primarily geared towards OWASP top 10. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and dive in here. So I already kind of went into the site. You could go to the site right here and download one of the installers or packages. I have a Linux box, so I'm just going to go ahead and download this. Now, mind you, I've already downloaded these files and have it set up, but I just want to run through it so that we're all on the same page, so that when I start running these tests, nobody's left behind. So anyway, I'm pretty much going to save this file. Gonna take a while, but I already have it saved. I'm just gonna let it run though. Once this file downloads, just go to my thing and throw it over here. Cool. So once this downloads, and again, I'm running an Ubuntu box, so I have to then go here, go to properties, and then permissions. And I've kind of already done it because, like I said, I've downloaded this already. But in this execute, it's going to be unchecked. Go ahead and check it. And I think that's pretty much self-explanatory. It's going to execute as a program. Now, once you do that, I go open up your terminal box and then cd into the file, the directory that the file is in, which mine is in downloads, and then run the following command, which is / and then the file name. So I'm going to do it verbatim. One thing to note is that it is case sensitive. Just an FYI. What? You lie. Let me make sure it's in this file, because this one it was there. Oh, no, it's not there anymore because I literally just moved it from downloads to the desktop. Now, also know where your file is. And run the proper command. There we go. I'm probably going to get an error here. Yep. It wants me to log in as root. So I'll change that later, but again, this is just for your purposes. So like I said, once you run that command here, and it'll start to install, and then you'll get this nice little GUI. I said I already have it in here, so it's going to ask me for an update. So I'm going to click next. I like to leave everything as default. I do like to create a little desktop icon here. Again, I leave everything to default, and then I go to install. And I'm starting off with OWASP ZAP first because it's an easy download. Okay, once you click finish, I have a little icon over here, but you can either run through the command line, or what I'm going to do is type it in my application, click it. Okay, here we go. And so now it's basically booting up. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward situation here. And when you open it up the first time, I click no, I don't want to persist this session. And then that's it. Now you have OWASP ZAP. So that's one of 3 tools that I'm going to install. The next one that I will install is Burp Suite, which has a few more steps, but I'm not going to be salty about that. So I'll see you in the next video.